Pop Cops on Duty, and today I'm going to show you some of our footage we got from the Superhero Car Show and Comic Con. This Friday, August the 5th, is when we went. It was all weekend, but we just went one day. In San Antonio at the Freeman Coliseum. Take a look, and we'll be back and show you what we got. fun?
Yeah.
Let me a backpack. How'd you get Rugrats?
Because they're adorably cute.
You've never even seen the cartoon before.
But they're really cute.
Alright, what's up everybody? It's the Pop Cop. Bailey's playing with the black light. Alright. Zobi had a booth there and I was looking around. There's some footage of some of the pops there. Saw Hobgoblin. I was like, it was only $25. I was like, oh, that's the one that came with the t-shirt bundle, but it's not. I'll find that out till later. So I bought the wrong one. It's just the normal Hobgoblin.
You have it?
Oh, I don't have him, but I wanted the glow in the dark. Remember I said, oh, I bought the wrong one.
Yeah.
When we were already in the truck leaving. Because I was going through the stuff that I got in the truck. We're waiting for...
You sure about that? His eyes blue.
No, there's the glow in the dark one that came with the t-shirt bundle. That's the one I thought I was buying. I think Stratos died over here. So, that was a mess up on my part.
Oh, that one.
But I don't have him.
It's like teal. Wait, no, where'd it go?
Okay,
So pretty.
next up. Okay, there's a couple pictures. We went to the Comic-Con with my two brothers.
And your niece and nephew.
Yeah, my niece and nephew and my brother's wife. This Pop Cop over here is too good to go with us. She said it's that we're nerds for going. That's her way of saying that she loves me, calling me a nerd. But it was fun, right? It was Bailey's first Comic-Con. Okay. Alright. Found this guy. They had him 15, they gave it to me for 10. He had a little damage on the bottom, but I put him in a protector already. Thunderbolts Punisher, Walgreens exclusive. The only other Punisher pop I think I need is the one from the Daredevil show, The Chase, where he's holding Daredevil's mask. That's the only Punisher pop I'm missing. There was two until I got him. Then keep the Office collection going. I had a whole table of Office pops. Got old Dwight as the Belschnickel. And on that same table, got Dwight as the Hay King. Walmart exclusive. And more Office. Golden Face Jim. Alright, went to another booth and had some Dorbs. Got Skeletor Dorbs. Wish they would bring the Dorbs back and get rid of the
Michael
stupid pop
Scott
pins.
is classy Santa.
I don't have that one. I don't have the elf one either. And Man at Arms, it was only $5. Skeletor was 10. I couldn't try to get the stickers off, but put that residue, so I didn't take his off. Okay. I want to show. All right. We walked up to one booth. They had a bunch of Lego minifigs. Saw this guy. I told the guy, I was like, "Oh, is that a street shark?" He said, "No, it's King Shark." After I'd already bought it, I was like, "Oh, well, I like King Shark too." So I'm walking around. I go to another booth. Guy has 5 different colors of those. He tells me, he's like, "I'll give you 2 for the price of 1. You can tell me what they're from." And I'm like, "They're street sharks." He's like, "Exactly." He said the guy that didn't know what he was talking about with this one. Huh? Yeah, all half off. I got 2 street sharks. Huh? Stop wasting the battery. And then there was another booth that had the mystery minis. He had Darth Maul already opened. And Vader. I was like, "Can I just buy these 2? Those are the 2 I want." Darth Maul's my favorite Star Wars character. I mean, how can you get any badasser than having face tattoos and a double-bladed lightsaber? Alright. You want to open this? There was another booth that had nothing but mystery boxes. I don't know what's in this. It was only $10. Oh yeah. Someone over there opened it. And I said, "Oh, we bought it for the channel."
You said it's something SpongeBob.
Shit, it's SpongeBob.
It's a lanyard.
Oh, SpongeBob lanyard.
That's cool.
You can have it.
Who lives in a pineapple under the
I
sea?
think I wasted $10 on that.
Who lives in a pineapple
Like
under the
18
sea?
lanyards. SpongeBob.
You're still missing a word.
Okay, so some of the, I'm trying to find a picture of some of the celebrities that were at the show. Shang-Chi was there. His autograph was like over $100 and something. I don't know why it's so. He's only been in 1 movie, but he was signing his books.
Oh,
It's
it's like a
$35
double
to buy the
thing
book,
lanyard.
and he signs it.
It's a good double lanyard.
So I just paid for that. Autographs on the inside. To Bobby.
To Bobby.
So that was only $35 better. Plus, I was just trying to get Pop signed at this one. I didn't have so many 8x10 signed. I have like 4 binders full of 8x10, mostly wrestling, but trying to get my Funko Pop signed.
I have a collectible sticker.
Alright. The first one I took to get signed, Spencer Weeding. He played Darth Vader in Rogue One. Got his auto. He got it JSA certified. Had a little booth on there. He just took it straight over. And they certified it for $10. Well, you know what? Put Vader on Vader. But I would save the other two for the end. Do you want to show off what you got, Bailey?
What?
Your backpack?
Just stick
We're about to leave the Comic-Con. I saw this at the Zobi booth. It was a little bit more than I wanted to spend on it, but it was there. I didn't have to pay for shipping, tax. It's the Ant-Man with the little Ant-Man on the side. I've been wanting this one for a while. But I went ahead and picked it up as we left. I didn't blow all my money.
Spend most of it.
I did spend most of it. But not all of it. Okay, and we got two of these guys. We're 2 for $15. They're Super 7 Heroic Warriors.
My idea is going to be all of this.
Open one, I open the other. What are we trying to get here?
I want the little dude.
They have Man at Arms, Orko, He-Man, and Tila.
I want the little dude.
Okay, we need a He-Man too.
I want the little dude.
On my left, we'll get a Man at Arms and Tila.
Or a mini dude. Anyone but the one that you want. Ow. Hot. Wait, I might actually step in.
Okay. You don't have a Wacky Wobbler sign?
Oh, that's so
Oh,
cool.
like a metallic one. Oh, that must be the Chase one.
That is so cool.
Get the Chase Orko.
Right.
Alright, I know I got a guy, whoever it is.
I felt like the sharp part of his hat, like this part in the front.
Oh, cool. I got a Chase He-Man, too. Like clear.
Hey, we both got the cool.
That's pretty cool. Well, we got the two we wanted, but they're like the
Better ones.
Chase ones. That's cool. I think those are 2 for $50. Oh, look, his sword's clear, too. Oh, look, his wand. Dude, he's got a wand. He, like, dumped it out of the bag.
Oh, it's the wrong hand.
Alright, you want to show off what you got? Kept looking at the lounge flap bags all day. Bailey picked the Rugrats. And what do you have to say about that, Erica?
What?
What do you have to say about Bailey picking the Rugrats?
She didn't even exist in the 90s.
She doesn't even know what the Rugrats are. She just thought the babies on it were cute.
Yeah, adorable.
The Rugrats were already off the air by the time you were born.
She's wearing her Rugrat shirt tomorrow for this first day of school, too.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. The crop top.
Okay. Next autograph I got. I only got 4 autographs. The Buck, Spencer Weeding. I got Sam Jones, Flash Gordon. Flash. I already
You're
have.
going to share the one thing that made me really mad.
Okay. The other thing, the worst part of the whole show. prepaid for Giancarlo Esposito's autograph, right?
He's gone.
The con start was from 1 to 8. He was supposed to start signing at 2 p.m.
We stayed there for 2 hours.
So we get in line about 1:45. We're supposed to be in group 1. He doesn't show up till 3:15. Like, he's late. He doesn't show up till 3:15. I didn't buy the VIP passes. They let the entire VIP line go. It's like 4 o'clock, and he's like, "Oh, I gotta go do a Q&A." We're like, "What the?" He's like, so they gave us numbers. We had to come back in 45 minutes, get back in line where we're at, and then we got his autograph.
No. Fine.
So, got him to sign my Moff Gideon pop. That was the worst part of the whole con. Yeah, I waited in lines, but that was just ridiculous. Say you're supposed to be there at 2 and you show up late, and then you're like, "Oh, I gotta go do the Q&A." Was that it? Was that all we got at the Comic-Con?
I got a couple other things I
Oh yeah, you got some crop charms.
Candace!
But this was that was your first con. This is the first one I've been to in 2-3 years since before COVID. But I'll go ahead and show these off while.
You're still waiting here.
To games. Had to go back to San Antonio yesterday. Was getting Bailey's school clothes. At the GameStop in the mall. Got the Stormtrooper Galactic Convention. Didn't have this one. The only two I don't have is Luke and Leia, but I don't care about those. Target, since
RJ.
Maya Lopez is gonna have her own show, decided to pick it up. Did you know she's supposed to be Echo? She's like a superhero. I didn't even know. They're gonna make a TV show. So I was like, oh, I better get it because it's probably gonna go up value. And then the other thing they had at GameStop, the Cobra Fang.
We bought like 40 pops, I think.
Yes, I only bought 3 pops yesterday.
Not yesterday.
It's not 40 pops. That's like what? I got 6 pops.
Convention.
I only bought 6 pops at the convention. Come on, bro. 6 pops, 2 Dorbs, and 2 Street Sharks, 2 Mystery Minis, and 2 He-Man figures. Alright guys, we had fun. Hopefully they have it again next year. Are you gonna go next year?
Maybe.
Are you gonna go, Erica?
Nope.
Why not? Not lame, it's fun.
You could have told me that we were supposed to dress up. I would have put on my Baby Yoda ears and I would have rocked the runway.
You would have rocked the runway. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Just wanted to show everything off so that way I can start putting everything up.
Goodbye.
We'll see you next week. Hop Cops 1042.
So cool.